Let's walk through a client connector traffic forwarding scenario. This user is logged in, but they see this endpoint error. They tried logging out and restarting the client connector, but they keep seeing the same error shortly after they authenticate. We've checked the endpoint firewall and found that nothing is blocking client connector. Same for the antivirus. So it must be something else. Client connector needs to connect outbound to Zscaler, so the error message could be about something more general. To isolate this further, let's check the routing of the client connector health data. Windows PowerShell has some handy commands to check routing. We'll run as administrator for full visibility. Client connector health traffic communicates on 100.64.0.6, so let's run find net route to see how that's routed. We can see that the route is not out of the Ethernet 0 interface. Everything else is routed out to Ethernet 0, so this looks suspicious. Checking the routing table with get net route, we see a special route for the 100.64/10 subnet. Digging in with the Endpoint Devices team, we discover that this is a leftover route from the old VPN solution. Since we no longer need this route, let's try to remove it. The service status changed to on. That fixed it. In this example, the error message helped us localize the issue to that specific user's device. Isolating it further took a little more work and insight since it wasn't really a firewall or antivirus issue. Knowing that client connector uses IPs in the 100.64 range for outbound traffic was key.